Retiring well without a big bank balance, even with a modest retirement fund, a secure and fulfilling retirement is possible through smart financial decisions, lifestyle adjustments, and strategic planning. Rethinking retirement goals. It's a common belief that only a large retirement corpus guarantees a stress free future. While a bigger fund offers more flexibility, a joyful retirement is achievable with a smaller corpus by adjusting expectations, reducing expenses, and making the most of available financial tools. The key lies in balancing needs and wants while optimizing income sources. Managing lifestyle costs. Spending wisely is central to retirement planning. Downsizing your home, relocating to a more affordable city, or cutting back on luxuries like frequent travel or branded shopping can significantly extend the life of your savings. Even small changes, prioritizing essentials over indulgences, can make a big difference. Utilizing multiple income streams. A modest retirement fund doesn't mean relying solely on savings. Supplementary income sources such as rental income, freelance work, or dividends from smart investments can boost financial stability. Many retirees also turn hobbies into income, teaching, writing, or crafting, adding variety and value to the retirement years. Maximizing government and employer benefits. Employer-sponsored pensions and government schemes can substantially reduce the need for a large personal corpus. In India, options like the National Pension System (NPS), Employee Provident Fund (EPF), and Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS) offer dependable income. Fully leveraging these benefits can help maintain financial security with a smaller nest egg. Smart investment strategies. Retirement doesn't mean your money stops working. Allocating funds to low-risk, income-generating options such as bonds, fixed deposits, or conservative mutual funds can ensure steady returns. Keeping a small portion in equities helps combat inflation. A balanced approach between safety and growth is essential for longevity of funds. Embracing a flexible retirement. Retirement today is more of a transition than a full stop. Many continue working part-time or as consultants, not just for extra income but for mental stimulation and social engagement. This flexibility reduces the pressure to accumulate a large corpus before stepping away from full-time work. FAQs. Is it risky to retire with a low corpus? It can be if not planned well, but with reduced expenses, diversified income, and government support, it's manageable. Should I continue investing after retirement? Yes, focus on safe, income-generating options and maintain a small equity exposure to edge against inflation. What lifestyle changes help most? Downsizing your home, relocating to a more affordable area, and cutting discretionary spending can significantly extend the life of your savings.